I have just left Hunter inside with his freshly baked lemon and blueberry muffins. Please let me know if you make them and leave a comment below. I would love to know how they went for you. I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you about awareness. Awareness is about creating awareness of yourself, others, and our environment, otherwise known as mindfulness. However, I think it has a deeper meaning to it when we refer to it as awareness, and we can kind of change what our perception of mindfulness is. A lot of the time with mindfulness or meditation, we think that we need a whole hour in our day to do that, or we need to sit down and be completely still. I'm here to tell you the opposite. Mindfulness, awareness, whatever you would like to call it, can be quick, it can be simple, and it can become a really important part of your day. Cultivating Positivity offers an awareness cards pack. So in this pack, you will find 35 small mindfulness practices that you can easily embed into your day and into the lives of your family and your children. The cards look like this, and the best way in which you can use them is to simply pick a card and practice it for that day and for that week and see how it affects your life. And if it doesn't, grab a new one, and if it does, amazing, let's stick with it. I want to talk you through one of the practices today, and that is micro mindfulness. You may not have 20 minutes in your day, but you definitely have one. You can use this micro mindfulness practice to create awareness about how you're currently feeling and to help you transition from one activity to the next. It simply takes 1 minute, that's it. It's perfect to do in the car just before you head back inside after coming home from work. It's perfect to do in the bathroom as you quickly had to escape your kids because you're on lockdown with them and you needed a minute's break. It's perfect for moving from one activity to the next because it can help reframe your mind to set you up to leave just feeling that little bit better. So let me quickly talk you through it. Stop. 4 letters. S-T-O-P. That's all you need to remember. The S stands for smile. You're simply going to close your eyes and you're going to smile. As big as you can. Force it if you have to. Forcing a smile will cue your body to tune in to some more positive emotions. Think of something funny, fake it till you make it, or a genuine smile. Whatever you can do, but put a smile on your face. T is for touch. How is your body currently feeling right now? What is it actually physically touching? Are your feet firmly planted on the floor? Are you standing? Are you sitting? Where is the pressure in your body? What can you feel in yourself? Tune in to how your body is feeling and what it is touching currently. The O is for one breath. And I want you to keep those eyes closed and take one big breath. If you have a few more seconds up your sleeve, it is recommended that you take 3. And if it feels good, take a few more. But if you can only do one big breath, then take it. Breathe in deeply and exhale. The P stands for present. It's now time to come out of your mindfulness practice, even though it was super quick, and you're going to focus on what you can hear, what you can smell. What do you now need to go and do? But you're going to enter that activity feeling better, more refreshed, ready to tackle that, and ready to be the best version you can be. All you need is 1 minute for an effective mindfulness practice to create more awareness of yourself, to create more awareness of others, and to create more awareness in your own personal environment. Remember that Cultivating Positivity offers a 24-week journal for individuals to work through. It is for 24 weeks, but you can take it at your own pace. You can skip chapters, but in here are heaps and heaps of mindfulness practices that you can use to create awareness in your everyday life and to help those around you as well. So please click the links below and head to my website to check out the awareness cards and to check out the Cultivating Positivity journal. All you need is 1 minute. Take a moment to stop, smile, touch, one breath, present. Enjoy your day.